Believe me, if you're gonna eat this, you're gonna be so happy. So what you waiting for, man? Come on, let's go. Let's make it. You know the vibes. Ladies and gentlemen, today, risotto bianco. Very traditional, very easy, very creamy. Bianco means the word white, which is the base of the risotto, a white risotto. No mushrooms, no nothing, just the plain, simple risotto, okay? One thing that is very important is we're gonna use risotto rice. Only gonna use risotto rice, okay? Not basmati rice, not long grain, short grain. Risotto rice. Follow the steps and you will get a nice and creamy risotto.
So first we're going to start with some celery and onion. And the garlic is optional. Traditionally it's not in there, but I put it in anyway. So you chop the onion very fine, okay? We don't want any big chunks in this nice creamy risotto. Now, for the celery, we do the same thing, but we're going to remove the pieces of fiber just like this. Chop the celery very fine. And then our preparation is done. Now in a hot pan we're gonna put a nice knob of butter together with some very good quality extra virgin olive oil. Goes in a pan. So first we're gonna put the onion and the celery in the pan and then start to sweat. Fry it for a few minutes and then add the risotto rice. Now we're gonna fry the rice dry like this. So we're gonna fry the risotto together with onion for a little bit, just to get some flavor, you know, get some character going on. At the very last, I add the garlic because it burns quite fast. Now it is time to add some hot stock to the pan. Put 2 ladles of stock and then start rolling it around. Alright, now we're gonna stir it and keep cooking it until all the stock has evaporated. And when it's dry like this, we're gonna add some more stock. And we're gonna repeat this process for about 4 to 5 times until your risotto is cooked all the way through or al dente. So in total, this will take you about 30 minutes until you reach a nice and creamy consistency like this. It's already looking and smelling really good in here, but we're gonna elevate it. You see the creaminess? Can you see the cream? Incredible, that's incredible. Now, to finish it off, we're gonna put a nice knob of butter together with some parmesan. Stir it a little bit around and then cover it for 3 minutes, no more than that. And after a few minutes, ooh, man. That is creamy, cheesy, and has so much flavor. Insane. Okay. To finish it off, put a little bit extra virgin olive oil for presentation and together with some parmesan, and that is done. Look at this. It's incredible. It's so incredible. That is absolutely incredible. I am not playing with you. This is real cooking, this is real food. Please believe me, make it, you're gonna be so happy.
Now did you see how creamy this was? Stop playing with me, man. Come on. You already know it's gonna be really good. Such incredible flavors. I'm not kidding with you. Amazing 10 times dish. This dish is so amazing, so creamy. You really have to believe me and try it yourself. Because I cooked it al dente, the rice still got some chew. So it's creamy, it's salty, it's cheesy, it's buttery, it's so much going on. Believe me, if you're gonna eat this, you're gonna be so happy. So what you waiting for, man? Come on, let's go. Let's make it. You know the vibes.